What's going on, guys? Got another product video for you today. Before we get things started, make sure you like the video. Helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm, gets us a lot more views. Today's video is going to be kind of some products that we have, also ways of kind of doubling up on the chain. It's been popular lately. We've had quite a few customers getting, doubling up on the chains. Some of them double up on the pendants as well. A lot of them just double up on, chain, pendant, and the smaller chain. They just leave it just the chain alone. A few different pieces. In the description down below is going to be links to all these pieces on our website so you can purchase them. The chains are on the website like always. Chains real quick. So we got a 10mm Cuban link, 6-7mm diamond cut rope, and then a 9mm and a 4mm Gucci Mariner link. I don't know the weights on them, it'll be in there. These are bigger pieces. This one's around 80, I believe. It's a really cool 3D piece. A lot of detail work on it. Really solid, it's got nice weight to it. So it'll fit the bigger sizes. This, like I said, 10mm, could probably go up to maybe a 15mm. Over here, we got the rope with the Jesus piece. This is a cool Jesus piece. In a previous video we were talking about a solid one. This is what I thought it was. That one wasn't solid. This one is solid. This has got a lot of weight, again, around 80 grams. Really nice detailed work on the diamond cuts. And solid on the back. And this one, like I said, is a solid piece, a lot of weight to it. This one's got a really big bail on it, so you can put something nice on there. So this has got a rope. And these two, I'm not gonna take them off, but these are two Mariner Gucci links. Again, it's nice if you want to double up. We've got the San Lazaros on the bottom. We have a lot of these on our website. They're a little different. You'll see a bunch of them on the website. The background can be different on them. They'll look the same, and then you'll realize the background is totally different on a lot of them. And then this one, I don't actually know what this charm is. Cool little piece. This is nice if you're looking for something more, budget friendly. It's actually double-sided, so it's kind of cool no matter which way it goes. It looks like it's the right way. A lot of times when you got this piece on, you're running or something and it flips and people are like, what the hell's on your charm? This one, doesn't matter, both sides look cool. Smaller, again, put something else on it. Go ahead, comment down below, guys. What's your kind of combos? Just like our last video, you should see. We'll have a link to our other video with the smaller charms, smaller necklaces, a little more budget friendly options. Any questions? Give us a call, 813-888-8590. Shoot us an email, info@learysjewelry.com. Guys, if you like this video, make sure you check out our last video. It's on smaller pieces. This combo was in that last video. Similar to this, just all the pieces are a little smaller, a little more budget friendly than these bigger pieces are. Other than that, have a good one, guys.